Hi guys, my name is Tori and today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you guys how I toned my VP Fashion extensions. So they actually sent me these extensions. They sent me their 20-inch extensions, which are 190 grams. When I open up the box, it comes with their way to hold it, which you do have to buy this separately. And this is really nice if you want to hang them up to dry overnight, which is what I do. It also came with this little booklet, and then it came in this. So this is their dyeable set, which is their D613A. This is meant for people who want to constantly be re-dyeing their hair. They also did send me some extra, gotta drop them. They also sent me some extra clips. If I were to try to put these extensions in my hair right now, my hair is far too white for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these open because they come with these little bands. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. I'm sorry, Des. I do have sets from these beforehand, but I have paid for all of them. These are the first set that they've sent me for free. So it comes with one big 4-piece and then also another 4-piece clip, but it's slightly smaller. And then it comes with 2 3-piece clips and then 4 1-piece clips. I'm gonna go ahead and put these actually in my hair so you could see what it would look like if I were to put these in my hair right now. You guys may not be able to tell all that well on camera, but the top, my actual hair is white compared to these extensions, which is just a pale blonde, but that is easily fixable. I do have a coupon code with them, which is still Tori10, which you will get $10 off of your order. Now I'm going to go ahead and tone them.